In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new file to your existing project. And there are two ways to do so. First one is File, click on File, choose New and File. And from this window, click on C, C++ Source and click on Go. And the rest is pretty much the same. Click on Next. Make sure that if you are working with C++, choose C++, Next, and you have to give a name for your file. For that, for example, I'm going to write program 1 and click on Save. Choose both of this, debug and release, and click on Finish. So if you can see, here is your program 1 that you have created. And if you extend the sources, here is the program that you have created. And the second way is to use, this is the main toolbar, and click on New File, choose File, and again, C, C++ Source, click on Next, C++, then the same way, for example, program 2. Click on Save, check both of this and click on Finish.